Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the mobile office package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look back here, we got your rear park sensing, a dual exhaust with two recovery hooks, you got your tow hitch receiver. We get the Pro Access tailgate with this model, which does have the nice bed liner on here. You got your Pro Power onboard lights, hooks and doodads for all your cargo necessities. Got some measurements on the gate as well, and it's fully powered, so we'll go up and down automatically with mud flaps on the rear and front, Tremor gripped running boards, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicator mirrors with the side view camera. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to a 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and yellow leather interior with the Tremor stitching on the back seats. Plenty of door space in the back, your B&O sound system, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders in storage, heated back seats with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's high-vis self-driving, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 54 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with the yellow stitching, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control with your main menu, which has towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, other settings, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road. We do get our gear select that is collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Got your center console here as well that does turn into an interior work surface, perfect for laptop, work, food, whatever you like. You do get your storage below as well. Drive modes with your rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist. You got dual climate right here with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below. On the dash with your Upfitter switches, you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop buzzer, trail control, hazard traction, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, and looking here you have your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls here as well. A little blinking dot here is just your Ford's BlueCruise, your navigation, search, rates, and save, zoom in or out, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, trailer turn, Pro Power tailgate. You got your any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA74390, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.